So I saw your question on the discussion board. In this example, y is -2 an excluded value? There. Well, actually -2 is not the excluded value. The excluded value is 5. Okay, so looking at this, when you have division by 0, we call that undefined. Try to put this in words. It doesn't make sense to divide by 0. And so we don't like to have 0 in the denominator. And so here, they set the denominator equal to 0 and they solve. And so 5, if you put 5 in either one of these expressions, it would make the denominator 0, and that's what they call the excluded value. Now it's okay to have a 0 in the numerator. If you have 0 over 5, that's just 0. And so, in the numerator, if you set it equals 0, you get -2, and it's not an excluded value because it wouldn't make this fraction undefined. So it's okay to have 0 in the numerator, but not the denominator. Hope that helps.